Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a little bit different. It's kind of an undecorate with me, or more of a transition video. I'm showing you how I transition my home decor from Halloween to just fall. So taking away all the bits that are very Halloween specific and leaving up just the fun pumpkins and other things. This video is kindly sponsored by Audible. It's part of my ongoing partnership with Audible, which is so exciting for me because you guys know I am a huge fan of listening to audiobooks. If you don't know what Audible is, it is the leader of spoken word entertainment. They have thousands and thousands of titles of audiobooks, podcasts, memoirs, live theater. They have a ton of stuff to choose from. Definitely something for everybody. The book I decided to download this month was Coraline, because really random, but I followed a TikTok that went deep into Coraline conspiracy theories, and I've been so into it, so I thought it would be fun to listen to the audiobook. So I am starting that today as we start our cleaning up, and I'm really enjoying it. I wish I knew I would, because I love Coraline. But Audible is starting something new called Audible Plus. With Audible Plus, you get full access to their Plus catalog, which is filled with thousands and thousands of select originals, audiobooks, and podcasts, including ad-free versions of some popular shows, as well as exclusive series. Now is the best time to try Audible Plus because of the holidays. They have their holiday offer, which is their best offer of the year. It's only $4.95 a month for your first 6 months, and then every month after that, it's only $7.95 a month. And you can download and stream thousands of things. Audible has never disappointed me with their originals series, so I am super excited to dive deep into this new Audible Plus. And if you want to try it too, you can go to audible.com/Amy or text Amy to 500-500. The link will also be in the description of this video, and using my link will get you that $4.95 a month for the first 6 months discount. So definitely let me know if you decide to sign up and what you download to listen to. Thank you again to Audible for sponsoring, and again, if you want to go check it out, it's audible.com/Amy, or you can text Amy to 500-500. So I kind of ended up doing this over a period of 2 days, which I didn't mean to, but I take forever to do everything. So I did this in 2 steps. I took all the Halloween stuff down. I made 2 piles, things that were only appropriate for Halloween and things that were appropriate for just fall decor. How cute is this ghost that I found at HomeGoods later on in the month, but so cute. So I made 2 piles and just made sure to take down all of the Halloween stuff. And of course, my special assistant Ludo was there to help with all tasks, with a smile on his face and his tail wagging. He's so cute, just the best. So yeah, I was making my piles, taking everything down off the mantle. This part always breaks my heart because I love all this stuff so much and I'm sad to put it away, but it's always really exciting to bring everything back out. So smaller, delicate things go in the little cabinet that we keep in, that we have in our apartment. I don't put them in like the big bins because I'm afraid they'll get broken or some of the candles will melt. Also, my assistant fell asleep under his special chair, but that's okay. He's so cute. So this is the cabinet. I just kind of arrange things that are really important to me that I don't want down in the garage. I get a ton of questions on how we store things, so this will kind of be an answer to that as well. A lot of the smaller pieces or the meltable things go in this cabinet, and it's always a bit of a game of Tetris to get everything to fit. Everything fit too perfectly this year, and then I realized I forgot a big-ass skull candle, and I was upset with myself, but I'll figure that out. But I arranged everything in there, and then I got the cabinets to shut. That's always the big goal. And meanwhile, Bradley and Ludo, my assistant is awake again, was working on taking out those 2 pumpkins. The one plugs into the back wall and the other one is battery operated, but we were just taking those out. We are leaving the orange string lights up for now because they work for the rest of fall. But the 3-tiered pumpkin is a little too Halloween, so that one we put away. And he also took down the ghost lights in the bedroom, which I was so sad about. I love turning these on at night, and I will miss them, but Christmas lights will be here soon. And how cute is my little husband? Oh my gosh. So then we store everything else in a lot of bins. We have like a garage area that we can store things in, and so I have just bins galore. So I'm just, again, playing Tetris, trying to fit everything. I do wrap the breakable things in bubble wrap. I've never had a casualty. I should knock on wood that I said that, but I'm just trying to fit everything in here. It doesn't get moved a lot throughout the year, so once it's in place, like, we should be good. But we're still extra careful with everything. So once that bin is pretty full, I just put the lid on it, and then I put another bin in front of me, and I filled it up as much as I could, keeping in mind that I needed more room for the fall stuff that I'm leaving out until Christmas. Then the next day I was ready to decorate for fall, so this is my little pile of things that I deem fall appropriate, not just Halloween appropriate. Lots of colors, which I found very fun, but yeah, just mostly pumpkin things, some of the polka dot ones, but nothing with like a jack-o'-lantern face. This is the muslin pumpkin that I got from Anthropologie. This is still available. I can link it down below. I love it. It's so cute. It's just very classy and just kind of neutral and natural. This little porcupine candle I've had for like literally 12 years. I got this when I first moved out, I believe from Anthropologie, and I love it, so I've never lit it because he's just so cute. This little corn pumpkin was from Michael's this year. I did haul that in my Halloween haul, which I'll link up in the corner. This super cute square polka dot pumpkin from Hobby Lobby, which I'm excited to keep out. And then I have my little polka dot and star and stripe pumpkins from Michael's. So since I'm so obsessed with the square polka dot pumpkin, I wanted to give it top billing on the mantle. And then I got so many questions about this on Instagram stories, but I'm so sorry. This is literally like 15 years old. I've had this since I lived like with my parents. But this super cute little like owl pumpkin with the flower eyes, it's so cute. So I put those on either side of the mantle. I left the candy corn tree up and then the pumpkin tree, and then I just added some real tiny pumpkins just for a little, you know, you decorate in threes. And then I left the middle just kind of empty just to keep things looking neat and clean. But we have the pumpkin tree in this vase from Target, the owl pumpkin, and then just a mini orange pumpkin. And then on the other side, we have the candy corn, bottle bristle tree, the square polka dot pumpkin, and then a little mini white pumpkin. And then even though we took these down, I decided to put them right back up, but I just put the little polka dot and striped pumpkins back up on the mantle. Also, my brother and sister-in-law gave me this amazing light-up pumpkin for my birthday. I mentioned it in my birthday haul. I'll link that up in the corner, but I just think it's so pretty. It lights up. You flip the switch. It's battery-operated, which is super easy. And I just put that up there. I think it looks very, like, retro in Anthropologie, and I love it. I also have gotten tons of questions on if we actually bought an 87-pound pumpkin. If you saw our reel or my Instagram about us going to Bait Nuts Farm and getting one of the huge pumpkins, we did. Bradley carried it up the stairs all by himself. Almost died doing it, but it was worth it. But yes, we actually did buy an 87-pound pumpkin, and it just fits so perfectly in between the bookshelf and the entertainment system, and we love it. Now I'm going to work on this shelf in the kitchen. I'm leaving up the pumpkin pie sign. Well, I'm taking everything down to give it a good dusting. Since that's right by a window, it got pretty dusty. But I'm keeping up the pumpkin pie sign and the candy corn tree. And then I'm just adding this 3-tiered pumpkin I got from Michael's a while ago, some crystals, and then a little mini orange pumpkin on my little fake jadeite candle stand. And I'm really pleased with how this turned out. I like all the colors and the teal mixed with the orange. I got this pumpkin pie sign from Michael's. I'm obsessed with it, and I just really like the way this turned out. I like the vibes. Then I dusted the little cabinet, and I decided to add the porcupine candle and then some pumpkins, and I just really like the way it turned out. Nice and clean and simple. We honestly felt a little bit cluttered in the small space with all of our decorations, so it was nice to pull back and just do the bare minimum, but I still feel festive, and I think it still looks nice and cute and autumnal. So I have the porcupine candle and then this pink pumpkin that I got in the dollar section at Target during Halloween on a little candle stand, and then the muslin pumpkin from Anthropologie. I also left up the pom-pom pumpkin garland that I made in my Halloween crafts video, which I can link in the corner if you wanted to check that out. It's super easy to make. But yeah, I thought this just looked super festive and cute. I have no idea what's going on here, but I had this really random weird clip on my camera, and I decided to put it in the video because Ludo sticks his head in the little pumpkin, and I thought it was cute. But weird stuff goes on around here, guys. I don't know what's happening here. Bradley's got his foot in a pumpkin. Who knows? Then I made my way to the bathroom to decorate the little shelf that's in there. I got this little raccoon pumpkin from Hobby Lobby. It's so cute, and I put it on this like tiny little, I guess, candle stand, maybe cupcake stand you would call that. And then I had some of these like colorful glass pumpkins that I got from Target a few years ago, and I just played around with the placement of everything and eventually got it in a way I liked it. Then a few touches in the office. I just added this really cute marble pumpkin. I got this a couple years ago at HomeGoods. I love it. It's just like marble veined with orange and it has a gold stem. I think it's very fancy looking, but I do remember it cost me only $6. So that was a steal of a deal. Next to the diffuser, it looks super cute. I also have this little teal pumpkin that I also got in the dollar section at Target that I DIY'd with some metallic Sharpies to make some polka dots on it, and I think it's super colorful and cute. And then the other DIY pumpkin that I did in that craft video was just this white pumpkin with pink polka dots. It's still hanging on, so I have it still where it was before in my office. And yeah, guys, that is it. I hope you enjoyed this transition video. I've never done one of these videos, but I do this every single year. It's a little too early for me to decorate for full Christmas, but I will probably put up the tree within like the next week, but then I keep everything else fall. It's very confusing, but it makes me happy and that's how I like it. And my assistant is still here. He says goodbye. Thank you for watching. He's so cute. He was getting ready to go on a walk. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, found it helpful, entertaining, all that jazz. Again, thank you to Audible for sponsoring this video. Don't forget to check the link in my description to get the Audible Plus deal. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.